Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily insert those tricky special symbols into Google Sheets. Things like squared, cube, degree signs, and more. So if you've ever wanted to make your spreadsheets look more professional with symbols like FT2, FT3, or the degrees symbol for temperatures, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at getting the exact characters you want every time. Let's dive right in. The first simple way to get special symbols into your sheet is by using special keyboard combinations, also known as alt codes. This method works best if you're using a Windows PC with a numeric keypad. For the squared symbol, here what you do, click into the cell where you want the symbol to appear, then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and while you're holding it, type 178 on your number pad. When you let go of Alt, you'll see a little 2 pop right into the cell. That's your squared symbol. It's almost like a secret code. Now keep in mind, this only works if you're actually using a full keyboard with a number pad. If you're on a laptop without one, you might need to turn on your numlock or use an on-screen keyboard. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time. Sometimes it takes a bit of practice to get the timing right. For the cube symbol, it's almost exactly the same process. Hold Alt, then type 179 on the number pad, and when you release, you'll get the 3 character. Now your units can show cubic feet or cubic meters just like in real technical documents, much cleaner than trying to fake it with a small 3 floating at the top. Next up is the degree symbol, great for typing things like 30 degrees C or even for angles. Click into your cell, then again hold down Alt, type 176 and release. You'll see the degrees character appear, easy as pie, and if you type things like 30 degrees C, it just instantly looks more polished and easier to read. Now what if you don't want to remember those Alt codes or you're working on a device where you can't use them? No worries, Google Sheets also gives us another easy option using the char function. Here, how that works: in your cell, you can actually combine text and special characters using a formula. For example, if you want to type out M2, you just enter this formula, equals sign, then double quotes around the M, then an ampersand, and then char open parenthesis 178 close parenthesis. So it looks like this, equals M and char 178. When you hit enter, the cell will display M2 with the squared symbol right in place. The char function basically tells Google Sheets, hey, print out this Unicode character number for me. It's fantastic if you need to repeat the symbol a bunch of times or mix it with other text. You can use the same approach for cubed units. For CM3, you type equals CM and char 179. And if you need to show a temperature like 30 degrees C, here's a handy formula, equals 30 and char 176 and C. This puts it all together. You get the number, then the degree symbol, then the C for Celsius, all in one neat cell. The char function is really handy for formulas or templates because you can copy these cells around and the formatting stays perfect. If you run into any trouble with quotation marks or ampersands, just double-check that they're set up correctly. Sometimes that can trip people up on the first try. So there you have it, 2 quick and reliable ways to add squared, cube, degree, and other special characters right into your Google Sheets. No more awkward workarounds, and your sheets will look way more professional. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have any questions or you're struggling to get the symbols to appear, drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.